Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is our pawpaw cream. I'm going to be showing you how to mix it and get a super yellow toning skin, a super white skin, a super glowing skin whitening. So you see this label for pawpaw, it's the same label with cowlight, it's the same label with dodo. So today I want to show you how you can premix it well. So I'm going to be premixing it.
Papa.
So as you can see, this cream cannot lighten a skin, but only when you premix it well. So I have my pimenti. I'm going to add in my pimenti. I'm going to be adding in my pimenti. I have my white now, but white now I mixed it with serum, have la serum, and I have CT serum. So I'll just add all of them in. So I'll add my white now, but there is serum, that's why it's looking like this. Then I will mix it. So make sure that you mix it well. So I'll add in CT and I'll add all of it. I'll leave just little. So I'm adding in my pimenti serum. Yeah, I have added in my pimenti serum. I'm going to add in my la. So I'm adding in la. Ooh, oh, look at this mess. So now as you can see, it's well mixed. So this cream is going to give you a mulatto skin, a super skin whitening, a super yellow skin. Now you can see it was hard in the beginning. Now you can see because of the oils, it cannot bring stretch marks, it cannot bring dark knuckles, it will not bring anything due to the oils. So as you can see now,